Okay. I'm going to pick off where we left off last time. So we're currently just cleaning up the code of this app. If my computer can keep up with this. Did we just turn HDR on? No. Okay. We nearly got through most of it last time. We got up to this part from memory. Okay, let's continue. I feel like in this part here the type can be inferred, so we don't need that. I should look up the documentation as to whether when you need to specify the type of something. That's still, this is still fine. Saying compute hovers is a bit vague. Compute when the mouse is hovering over a button. This logic is kind of nasty. Like, I could just convert this into a bunch of ands, as in to add 2 more ands to this. Maybe it would be easier if we actually just created a different variable called difference and then just took the x and y components of that. So we could just say the center diff is equal to the position minus the mouse pose. Maybe just diff is, well, no, we'll do center diff. And then this is just the 0 and this is just the y. Like, it just makes it slightly more readable, I think. Even it's not going to affect any kind of performance or anything. It's my code. But actually, now I'm thinking about it, like multiplying by 0.5 it's fine. It's fine. I'm overthinking it. Button click is false. Button index 0. Why are we resetting these ones? Alright, because we just want to determine if in this particular frame the button has been clicked, and if so, what its index is. We should write that out. Part of me is thinking maybe this would be, like, we could express that as a while loop, but using, like, for is conceptually a better option to me. Okay. Detect if the current button was pressed. If so, update current value index and text options. Otherwise, to do fade text color on incorrect button choice. Well, we implemented that not last time, but the time before that. Otherwise, fade text and color. Fade button color text on incorrect choice. When an incorrect choice is clicked. Do that. Like, I think at the time and now, this seems to be I'm not completely satisfied with this name. How many times does it appear? Oh, a lot. No, it's alright. It's okay. We should say reset. Reset tracking which incorrect options were clicked. Incorrect option was clicked. So track it. Okay. Now what? Update button options. I mean, is this not the part where we simply choose Yeah, where we just choose like 3 other random options. Yeah, we call that initially, then we call it when we're updating everything. Yep. We can say choose. Okay, what are we, so this is a void, so what are we changing again? We're changing the current text options. So we want to say, randomly choose 3 sort of incorrect options for a given photo, and permute the and permute these with the correct option. So maybe instead of like update button options, it should be something like, no, this is fine. It's a fine name. I was thinking it could be like choose button options, but update is fine. So do that, do that. What's this part doing? So IS1, what are these indices? Okay, the indices are these part here. But saying like if index to solution index continue is a bit unnecessary, since the solution isn't the solution index like 0 at this case? No, maybe not. Oh, I see. Okay, so we're truly like selecting all the indices of photos here, randomly shuffling these, and then selecting seemingly the first couple. So it's saying for everything in here. Oh, don't we want to break out of this? So for everything in here, I don't like using index here. We should change this. Index is a bit too vague. Maybe we call this option indices. For everything in the option indices. And really, instead of index, it should be, this is fine. Yeah, so for everything in the option indices, if the solution index is equal to, we want to just continue. Otherwise, yeah, set the current, this is, like this, fine, this is understandable, but it could be made more understandable. Like I feel like we should be looping over 1, 2, and 3 for the other option buttons. Yeah, let's do this. So we want to say for I going from 1 to 3, and let's call this these are the button indices. We've already shuffled this thing, so let's just kind of start from 1, and so let's call this I instead option index. So for all of the, this is really the one that should be called I. So for I in this, if the solution index is equal to the option indices and is say like equal to if this is the case, then we want to just increase the option index. Well, yeah, if this is the case, increase the option index. And then set the current text options I to the option indices and the option index. But otherwise, if that's otherwise simply set the hang on. Yep. Otherwise, set the current text options to be. So actually, the only thing we kind of need to do is the only thing we need to do in the if statement is to increase that. Everything else is kind of the same. So if that's equal to it, boost it up, and then otherwise set it equal to this, and then simply increase it. Yeah. I think really then the option index should start at 0. Let's go through this. Okay, so we're saying get all the question numbers, shuffle them all, start at 0, and then for all of these other indexed options, if in the shuffled version this is equal to the solution index, skip it by increasing 1. Otherwise it's different, so simply assign that option number to be whatever's in the index and then increase it by 1. Yeah. Okay. Let's just check that this hasn't done something weird. 5, 4, 4. So it should be option indices. So yeah, this is silvery blue, common, checkered, skipper, no, the least skippering. Queen, the banded, Oh, just the grey hair streak. Checker spot. Spice bush. Woman. Roadside skipper. Cabbage white. Silvery. Little yellow. Broadwing. Oh, what's this one? Not monarch, not a comma, a hackberry? Okay. Yeah, this seems to be fine. Okay. This could probably be a bit different. Generate a shuffled list of 0, 1, number of lines -1, and then fill in the other button options would be shuffled with 3 options from fill in the other button options from the shuffle list. That's fine. Okay. Like in the other option had a break, and I forget if the other option had an if or not, but at least this, given that it's 3 options, I feel like the compiler could, like, again, optimization doesn't matter for this particular app, but just thinking about optimization in general, at least this is kind of small enough that the compiler could go, oh, it's just a for loop over 3 things, so let's just unroll that. And yeah, maybe there's a bunch of like if conditions here, but since we're just incrementing these by 1, we can just we can branch out stuff. So it's, and also too, right, this is given it's very rare that when we shuffle this entire list, that one of the first couple of 3 things is going to be the solution index. These things in the cache that like track whether whichever branch was taken. It's like most of the time this branch is never going to be taken. So I feel like my claim is that it would be faster this way. A very marginal difference, but I'd say it's slightly faster. Okay. We need to have that one there. Okay, we are very close. Oh, we're basically at the bottom now. What's this one again? Oh, this is just converting colors. Convert, create a custom raylib color since yeah, apparently like stuff. Apparently it can't be initialized using syntax. Okay. Okay, so I guess that's all of the code cleaned up then. Nearly. We should kind of proofread this actually and make sure we haven't added any ridiculous spelling errors into this. So. Main. Where's main? Main.z. Okay. I mean, that looks tokenizing. That looks fine, I think. We should actually. I should turn on the syntax highlighting in Sublime Text. How do we do that? This is a tangent, but a tangent that will be important long term. Syntax highlighting Zig. Syntax highlighting in Sublime Text. How do we do this? Use package control or add zig.tm language to the packages directory. I guess we could just use package control. But we need to install it, which I guess it's fine. Where is it? Where's the package control stuff? So we want to install package, and is it zig.tm language? No. Okay, let me try Zig. Let's see. Sublime Zig language github.com. Yeah, this is what it is. Okay. That will appear sometime. Don't know why it hasn't turned now. I mean, this seemed to be fine. And as far as I can tell, where everything seems to be a spelling error from Sublime. Oh, that's fine. You can spell hacky like that. This is getting a pain to read. Okay, better now. Okay. So let's just save that then. Finished cleanup. Code clean up in main.zig. Okay. So now we need to make the README a bit better, but we might be able to do this some more. I should just add in some author info. with help from to a step from December 2023 to January 24. Yeah, let's go with that. Okay. Okay, yeah, readme time. Oh, now we need to do like markdown stuff. Oh, this is always such a pain. It's not that bad. It's just slightly tedious since I haven't done it in a while. What's an example of some markdown file that I can skim from? Just the Z compiler. What's the markdown like for the Z compiler? Github.com. Is it ziglang? Is there a README for this? There is, and this looks good. Okay. If we go to zig, no, zig, and here. Okay. This is the syntax I meant to copy, apparently. And I should also make this a markdown file, not a txt. Okay, so these headers are done with what, these hashes, I think, and okay, this looks like a photo. Oh, we should definitely include a photo in our markdown. Let's do that now. Yeah, if an app doesn't have a photo, everyone is immediately clicking away from the GitHub account. So what from the project? Let's play this until I get a photo I'm particularly happy with. So this was the field crescent. This is a nice one. We could go with this. We'll take a couple of photos. Snipping tool, yeah. This one. Okay. So we should do. Oh, we've already done a couple of screenshots already. README, or like option 1. Okay. So this was the morning clerk. Oh, I should get a photo where some of the options have been incorrectly chosen and that my mouse is hovering over one of them, just to show the color difference. That's the commie sorting wing, the holly blue, Littlewood Satya, the plain ringlet. This one's cool. Mudrice Admiral. Oh, actually, maybe we should just get like a kind of typical tiger swallowtail, given that's on the cover of this book. That there's nicer ones. Choose a nicer one. Yeah, it's cabbage white. Broadwing skipper. This was the clouded sulfur. Atlantis glittery. Spice bush. Ooh. Not the red admiral. Maybe the dusky wing? Yeah. The brown elfin. Eastern Tab blue, Viennese, little yellow, the queen, the giant. This is the monarch. I do kind of really like this one, and it's also public domain, so technically I don't have to like put the source of this in the README itself. So I like this one a lot. Let's do this one. So we'll do. Let's do like. We should choose some incorrect ones. So maybe someone thought this was the golf literary, and then we can do 3-second delay. But then I don't get the mouse pointer in here. Whatever, it's fine. Option 2. Oh, but then there's this weird like, hang on. Why are there these weird dashes in the corners of the photo? Why am I bothering? The terminal is the only way to actually navigate in Windows. So yeah, I view option 2. Oh yeah, this is nasty. Maybe if we just did like a matte black background, that would be fine. Which we could we can manufacture with this. Okay. Okay, so let's put this here. We'll do the same as before. Or maybe like without the highlighted part. Oh, but this makes it maybe someone would mistake this for saying this actually is the golf literary. It's like. Let's make it clear what option this is. No, I can't hover over it. Okay. This looks way better. Option 3. Yeah. Okay. Let's use this then. So, copy option 3 to the butterfly quiz. What should we call this? Let's call it screenshot. Okay. Yeah, so back to the markdown. Yeah, this is a simple quiz game, blah blah blah. We'll set out the exact wording soon. And then here we want to insert an image. If we just want like a local reference to an image instead of some URL, how do we do that? Okay, let's go to the Odin markdown. Github.com Odin lang Odin. Okay, let's see this. Let's see this example. Readme. Emacs, come on Emacs, you can load a markdown file. You did it. Only took 2 seconds. Wait, why is this slowing down? What's happening with my computer? Is something not plugged in? This is so weird. What are we? So we just wanted to. So that's a photo, but how is it? It's like imported as HTML. Including images in Markdown on GitHub, for example. This is so tedious. Look, the other, once we do this once, we can just copy it for every other project. This is so tedious. No, I don't want. Okay, this is what we want. I think you can link directly to the raw version of an image if it's in your repo. No, relative links is what we want. GitHub, just give me the example in the first paragraph, please. Okay, so maybe it's actually just. Where's image? Relative links and image paths. Okay, this stuff is so frustrating. This is just trivia. This isn't like control flow logic like with Zig programming. It's okay. So yeah, so here is like clearly what a link will be displayed as. But if we actually want something to show as an image, what's like just give me some good example. I need an example. Just Stack Overflow is useless. Let's just use an LLM. I'm sick of this. How do I include a relative link to an image in a markdown file on GitHub? LLM, please. That's not what I want. No, this is not what I want either. Example GitHub README with images. This doesn't look like what I want. Oh, it is. Okay. Possibly. This might not be a relative path. Okay. ECMA specification. Where's the raw? Okay. This at least tells us what it should be. Okay, so what is ours again? It was just called screenshot.png. So let's just try this local screenshot.png. And I don't want, well, who knows what that is. Okay. Okay, so these things are the headers, and this is links. So we should break out the sections. So one should be called photo information. Another one should be called dependencies. Development. What else? We do like readme.zig. See, like I still don't know like which pane the buffer list is going to press in when you press Control B. Like it makes no sense. I want this on the right, thank you very much. And I want this on the left. Good. Okay. Okay, so dot points are just done with these stars. These 1 and 2s are just with that. Links are with square braces. Code is with usual Discord stuff, and I think that's kind of it. Okay. So yeah, this is a simple quiz game app to help the player learn common butterflies native to North America. Screenshot. Build instructions. All of the code for this project, well, okay. Not everything was written in Zig because we're calling Raylib, so it's rather. I just want a line that communicates that this is a Zig project. There's only really one file, and yes, it calls some Raylib libraries, but it's mainly written in Zig. And that building stuff in Zig is trivial. This is a Zig project that natively calls Raylib code written in C. Yeah, the project can be built since the Zig compiler comes with its own build system. The project can be built and run with the command zig build run. When called for within the top directory of the project. The project was built with the Zig 0.11.0 compiler. Available at, we'll just put in like the releases page. Where is it? Direct download. Yeah, so I guess all of the major releases up until now are here. So presumably in the future, even with like version 1 releases, the older ones will be on this page somewhere. Available from the. Oops, I forgot to paste it. Available from the downloads page on ziglang.org. And downloads here, or downloads page here, we should URL. Okay, so if we just put that there, that should be fine. Maybe just download page instead of that. And this should mark down that. Okay, photo information. All photos in this project are from Wikimedia Commons. We should link to this. Wikimedia Commons, this one. And as such have end of sentence. As such, they have all been released under various Creative Commons / public domains licenses. Links to the sources of these photos. The authors. Like, author is a weird name to use. These should be photographers. But it is fine. It's okay. The authors and to their to the exact licenses of the photos can be found in this file in the project. We should be able to link this again. Can be found in the file, and we'll have to test this. We need to test if that renders as we would expect. The list of butterflies was taken from the book Familiar Butterflies of North America. Let me just check with the actual book that I copied this information correctly. Yeah, published June 1990. 9780679729815. That's okay. But if they were to appear sequentially as in the CSV file, they would appear in the same order as they do in the book. More on okay, how do we format this so that it's properly indented? Oh, this kind of is an interesting photo. When was this? Oh, it's very contemporary. I'm not even sure this needs to be on a separate line, actually. Like, it kind of would be useful for it to be there. Actually, the photos will obviously be in the photos directory. We don't need to add that in. We should link to Raylib. We should absolutely link to Raylib. And available on GitHub. On GitHub here. Yeah, see the link above for full license details. For the full license details of Raylib. The entire development of this app can be found on YouTube. here. Okay. Okay. Let's just push this to GitHub and see how it renders. I feel like that's the easiest way of testing this. But first, let's do some spelling error stuff. Oh, we want to say this is like a README as well. That's kind of important. Dependencies have just been migrated to Python libraries. You may need to restart some line text. Okay. Okay. Move. We want to do git move. README. This one. Git move readme.txt readme.markdown. And now we want to let's just get rid of everything. Readme.markdown. Okay, but first let's check this out. Spelling errors. Oh, comlia. And we should be consistent with like whether we capitalize stuff in GitHub or not. Otherwise, everything else seems fine. Okay. But buffer. So let's replace everything where we say GitHub with GitHub. No, not that one. Created by GitHub user. My lib is created. Come on. There's like I don't know. This wasn't. Wait, let's just use Ray's actual name. Yeah, we just want this one. This one. Created. Or maybe we can even say like Raylib is created by Raymond Santa Maria, GitHub handle, and is available on GitHub. Here, see the link for full license, copyright details, for Raylib's full license copyright details. Okay. Git's being done, but who cares? Added more info to readme. Wow. Okay, let's see what this looks like for our project on GitHub. Yeah, that one wasn't that helpful as an example. This one was okay. Okay, yeah, that's the picture rendered. That's important. I kind of want to adjust the size of it though. It's a bit too big. Yeah, this should be smaller. I should add that a release build is made with a different command. Let's do that. The project can be built in a release build. A release build can be created with zig build. How do we do this again? Zig. This is why we put it in main.zig. So we do that. Yeah, okay, we need to check the links work. Yep, that's fine. It's fine. Yeah, Raylib is there. Recordings on YouTube are there. Okay, so now all we really need to do... Oh, this one did not work. The photos can be found in the blah file. Okay. I feel like we should italicize some of this stuff. Markdown formatting cheat sheet. This is kind of what I should have searched initially. But it is okay. We now have a copy. That is, this has too much information. Enable embed code with Knitia. No. This is R, but maybe it's still okay. Again, why is this not? This is not meant to. Firefox is not meant to be uploaded. This is not how Firefox is meant to do stuff. No, we want to change this. By default, it should just save it. Okay. Oh, this is a block one. There are nicer cheat sheets. No, this is the bad one. Let's try this one. This is an acceptable cheat sheet. Okay. So if we want to italicize some of this, I kind of want to italicize the title here. So maybe I spoke too soon. Maybe this doesn't have enough information. I think it doesn't. Oh no, it does. It does. It's okay. My intuition was right. Familiar butterflies of North America. And then, yep. Okay, let's copy. Let me just copy this markdown file somewhere more sensible than downloads. So the last one we just did was here. Yeah, copy. I'll just put it in like software. Okay. Maybe I can actually link Raylib's handle, Ramon's handle too. Yeah, I can. This one should actually be the Raylib link. Okay, let us try this one now. Markdown. Okay. How does this look? Yep, both of those work. Close the wrong ones. Oh, cool. That. Okay. Clearly, this isn't a mushroom app. This is in the. I'm sure if I clicked on that link, it would be fine. Oh, cool. This is now linked. Great. We can make this file. I feel like I saw this error a while ago, and I couldn't figure out like why. Oh, come on. I couldn't figure out why. What exactly was wrong with it. Row 5, so this one. Again, like what about this is making it grumpy? we're going to ignore that. Oh, we should recommend a app to view the CSV file in. We recommend using, it was called like modern CSV, right? Modern, yeah, this one. I guess it's the name of an app, so we should italicize it. Modern CSV. Web page. To view the .csv file. What else can we, or should we add? Oh yeah, we need to make the size of this a bit smaller. Is that in our cheat sheet? No, I don't think so. I think this is a specialized thing to do. How do I set the size of an image in Markdown? Run the LLM. I want the answer immediately. Oh, okay. This is way more useful than the LLM said before. Okay. This way we can actually also give a title to this. We can say a screenshot of the from the app, width equals. So I don't want this to be the huge page, like the entire page. That's a bit excessive. So maybe like 500 pixels. Maybe just half of 920. 460. Oops, no. Half of 1920. Yeah, we'll give this, let's see what it's like when it's 960. If this stuff can be believed to work. Okay. Okay, what does it look like now? Oh, it's just it doesn't care for this attribute apparently. But at least it's providing the title. You know, okay, maybe it is okay that the entire page is taken up with this screenshot. Is it worth fussing over? Yes, I do. I need control over this. educative.io. Okay, at least we know from the Odin example that the GitHub processor does support HTML. Lol, this is, yeah, the LLM sucks. It was just copying it from the URL stuff. Okay. Let's try this instead then. Screenshot.png. We want a title though. How do we now do a title? Can I just say title equals? How do I set the title? Oh, it's just got alt, okay. Or title? Okay. Let's just try it and see if it works. I would be really annoyed if I need to specify both the width and the title. Okay, have I done anything silly in the markup? It looks fine. This one. It doesn't care. GitHub is doing its own thing. Like really? In that case, we may as well go with the nicer version. Namely this one. Okay. Oh, I should give this a title. This really needs a title. What is the Zig readme? So actually, we should adjust this development stuff. The entire development of this app basically was streamed on YouTube, on Twitch, and recordings were loaded to YouTube. Okay. All of these these are like double heading, so I feel like we should do the same thing here. Replace all of these 3 dashes with just 2 please. And yeah, heading needed, which will be the title. So we should make this a simple multiple choice quiz app. This is a simple quiz game app written in butterfly quiz. Written from scratch in Zig. Okay, let's try this one then. What are we coming to? Oh no, it doesn't. It didn't like that. Oh, GitHub doesn't render titles with a single hash? Really? Okay, I guess. Oh, maybe because there wasn't a space? Okay, way better. Finally got that. Game. Zig. Is a Zig project, a natively caused Raylib code written in C. I wonder if Raylib should be capitalized. I feel like it should. Oh, but then it's not here. See, it's like it's not in the logo either. Okay, no capitalization. can be created from a shell. I want to say when called from a shell, like located in the directory, but that's a bit ambiguous. When called from a terminal shell within the top directory of the project. Ooh, I should note that I built this on Windows somewhere as well. And that I haven't tested it for others. A release build can be created with the command cbuild. Was built with the Z compiler on Windows 11. The app has not been compilation of the app on other operating systems has not been tested. Okay. Photo information. Photo sources. Photo information is fine. From Wikimedia Commons. As such, they have all been released under various. We should also move the font around to like a different folder as well. So we wanted. Oh, we'll need to adjust the file, but that's okay. So we'll move that into there, and we'll move the open font license into here as well. And then, what else? Let me just clear all of the junk. We can get rid of this tally. We don't need this in the project. Okay, we failed doing the. We made a noobish error at least 4 times. We'll get rid of this. Remove tally.txt. What's this QOI CSV test? I think we can get rid of this. Oh, like the test was custom enough that we probably can get rid of this. let's just see if we reference this in the source code. I don't think we do. We definitely reference like the timing.txt file, but not this other one from memory. Yeah, we don't. So we can get rid of this. Like we ran the test, it's on stream, it's fine. Is that what we need to do cleanup wise? No, we need to make sure that the font goes into the correct place. So we're embedding the font in here. I think that should be the only change needed. Let's check. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Project file, shuffling, clean up. Okay. So now what does it look like? Yeah, we've got the font stuff is in here, photos are in there. I wonder, does GitHub render these? No, not sophisticated enough. I understand that it's a bit big. So yeah, got that. Build the CSV file, the screenshot. It's got timing test. Okay. Maybe we should actually, no, we shouldn't add the executable. It's going to be massive. Like not hugely, but still significant. If we do zig out bin, what is it? Yeah, it's like 144 megs. Too big for GitHub. But that's okay. We'll upload it to. We'll upload it to itch. Readme is fast. Actually, we really need to check that this binary is portable as well. Let's copy it from here to like the directory above, for instance. If I try and launch it from here, yeah, it works. That's good. That's fine. Okay. Using in Zig, using the arraylib library. And uses the arraylib. many procedures, whatever. Uses the regular library is fine. Included the necessary source files from Raylib directly in our project under the but deleted unnecessary parts. Parts of the library. Okay. Yeah, I think this is kind of, this part's now done. Let's just check for any more spelling errors. This kind of looks okay. Okay. Do we do this down? Yeah. Yeah. Made final-ish readme. Wow. Okay. So now let's do a release build. Luckily, our page tells us how to do that. Zig build optimize release fast. Cool. And now let's put this on. Oh, I'm getting tired. It's nearly midnight, but we are nearly completely done with this project. Let's now put this on, or at least see what it would be involved if we try and get this on itch. Because I've never uploaded anything to this before, so we'll have to we'll figure this out. How do we do this? Upload new project. North American, North America, the butterflies quiz. The butterflies quiz. Familiar butterflies of North America. Yeah, that's different. Okay. This is really bright. Review our quality guidelines before posting your project. If you fail to adhere to these guidelines, the site admin might remove your page from the discovery index. Whatever. It's not like it will be fine. Okay. So I guess for the cover image, we can just use the screenshot. This kind of sucks. Why is it being cropped? Recommended 360 by 500. Okay. Why don't we just render the app with that then? 360 by 500. Where's the 1080? So like 360. Wait. When it says 360 by 500, like, why is the image taller than it is wider? That's really weird. But okay. Okay, 360, 500. Bro, this is so small. This looks terrible. Let's scale this up by 2, at least. Oh, we're gonna have to change the font as well. Okay, scale this up by 2. Okay, the height is now. What's the font height gonna have to be? The font height was like 10% of this from memory, so okay, 2 times this divided by 10. 126. Where's the font? 126. This is such a weird image dimension for itch, but okay. We'll play along your game. Oh no, this is not going well. All of this just to like fit the itch box. We'll continue hacking this. This is fine. So let's just make the we can I can just play the game until we get something where all of these fit, and then we just want to adjust this information down here to an appropriate size. So so if we now go we can make this part small. No one's going to read this in the thumbnail, just provided it's visibly there. The attribution height times 0.75. So let's just make this like 0.5. Let's try this. What? No, that's fine, but what's this 2.2? Why is this? Yeah, this will be fine once we get some appropriate names. Try again. Try again. This is fine. Okay. So that's but this is the really low quality image. No. No. We'll continue trying. This one's okay. Okay. Screenshot. Snipping tool. This one. Okay, save. Itch 1. Okay. Let's just do some more. Hackberry. Okay. The moment. Oh, this is like this. This is the one we go with. This one's way better. So we want to go with itch2.png. Okay. Back to here. It's so bright. Replace cover image. Pictures, screenshots. Itch2. Now it's like, now it's still a bit shitty. Let's use the, and I know why, it's because the border is adding stuff on. Let's just do the click and drag option. This is approximately right. It's fine. Okay. Itch3. This stuff is so tedious. Like it is so tedious. Okay, that worked. Well, let's again illustrate choose some wrong options. Maybe it's the vein white. Oh wow, it's not. Who would have thought? Maybe it's the visceroid. Who would have thought? Try again. H4. Cool. Okay. Lord, this looks. This is what the app is. Anyone who clicks it knows what they're getting. Okay, familiar butterflies in North America. Project URL. Shown when we link to your project. Avoid duplicating your project's title. Short description or tagline. Yeah, a simple multiple choice app to help learn the names of familiar butterflies native to North America. What are you uploading? Yes, we're clearly uploading a book. I guess it's a game. I don't know. I mean, it is a piece of software you can play. I guess that is the best description. Kind of project downloadable. You only have files that can be downloaded. No, we are never making any game in Unity or Java. Never, ever. Or Flash. Not happening. Nope, not happening. Release status. Release. The project is complete but may receive some updates. Yes, we finished it tonight. Pricing. This should be free. No payments. The project's files will be freely available and no donations can be made. Like, people can donate if they want, but I don't want to like do some suggested donation. We'll just make it no payments. It's free. Upload files. You provide no, we just upload it. Good thing. See, like, yeah, if you make some game with Unity, good luck. Good luck making it less than 1 gigabyte. Not gonna happen. Okay. So now that we've done our adjustments for the image, exit. If I do like git diff, it's going to say these are all the differences. So let's clear them all. Now we want to do zig build whatever the release tag is. Actually, I can remember it. Zig build de-optimize equals release fast? No. Zig build de-optimize equals, I thought that's what I wrote, release fast. I guess I must have spelled something wrong. Okay, let's make sure it behaves, which it is. What if this is clearly the White Admiral? Oops. This is clearly the Wood Nymph. Oops. This is clearly the Swallowtail. Oh, must be the checker spot. Yeah. The Dun. This is the Red Admiral. This is the Snout. Yeah, this seems to be working. Is this the Satyr? No. Is it the Variegated? No. Is it the Yellowtail? Must be that. It's working. So let's upload. Butterfly quiz. Zig out. Oh, there's lots of crap in here. Let's I just wanna clear it out. Let's just purge this, and then we will make it again. Okay. Do not close this page while uploads are in process. Details. This will make up the content of your game page. This is just publishing anything is so much work. We will get through it. We will do this later. To do genre educational tags. What JavaScript do we need for this? It's fine. There's already some here. Interesting. Yeah. What does itch recommend for this? Prefer using a suggested tag over creating a new one. Okay, these are like genres or moods. Okay. All adult content must be labeled. Yes, clearly that's relevant in our case. I am an adult and I made this game. Labeled. Avoid using loud noises or obnoxious material. What is, this is hilarious. I need to look into this tangent. I cannot help myself. What is I can't even spell it. That proves I'm not obnoxious. What is... We will learn how to spell this. What is obnoxious material on itch.io? Nothing. Okay. Oh well. I thought there could be something fun there. Do not advertise your game on other projects, comments, or communities. Yeah, that's just like, come on. Good faith. Avoid creating sales too frequently. We're not selling it. Okay, this. We've gotten what we need out of this, out of those pages. So we should use one of these tags apparently, unless it's a never-ending list, and it's not. I saw that GitHub was a tag, but not the top. Let's just go through this and do it. Yes, this is single player. Yes, this is 2D. This is extremely short. Gay is a tag. Educational. I mean, educational should be like the first one. Okay. Starting again. Cats. This is absolutely nature. Oh, come on, Forged in the Dark. What even is that as a genre? I don't know. I love it, like Doom is a genre. Like, are there that many people remaking Doom on itch that it's a genre? Like, apparently. Yes, there's lots of buttons in this game, but presumably this means something else. Like tentacle, like some of these categories you kind of knew they were there if you thought about them long enough. But it's still funny when you see them. Let's see. Binaural. Okay, and we got to the end of the list. So we should really add butterflies. And maybe some of these should be removed. Like, it's not. I wouldn't classify this as like a single player game, because it's not. It is a game, but kind of not really. I feel like educational nature and butterflies and 2D are really these last three are the tags we need. Maybe we need 2D. Okay, and the short is really subjective. Okay, so let's actually get rid of single player. Let's get rid of short. Otherwise, I'm happy with these tags. Store links. No, this is where we're uploading it for now, and probably this is the only place we'll upload it. Custom noun. I guess I'm gonna call it a quiz instead of a game. Download and install instructions. This text will be shown to someone when they are downloading your game through the browser. Has it uploaded it? Okay. Yeah, and it's an executable. Oh, we could even like download, we could even, I don't think that, okay, while we could do the source code option here, I think it's easier if we just have a link to the GitHub code in the description and then just leave this to be the executable. For Windows. Okay. Okay, download and install instructions. We should also repeat some of this here. And we kind of want this to be public. Disable new downloads and purchases. Only those who already own the game or get a download key can. No, we want everyone to get this, obviously. Okay. Yeah, so we should say the quiz should the quiz should not require any dependencies. If for whatever reason it fails, the source code is available on GitHub at here. And then we can say the quiz was created from scratch in Zig and Raylib. So if you have a copy of the Zig 0.11.0 compiler, you should be able to build the app from source. So it should be. So the app can. So it can be built from source using the from the GitHub repo linked above. No other dependencies. Only the Zig 0.11.0 compiler and the directory and the GitHub project are needed to build the .exe. I feel like we should, I should just be saving all of this text I'm typing somewhere in case the web page crashes. I lose it. So tags, 2D, educational, nature, short description. Description. Okay. Okay, now we need to do the hard part, which is the description. Do we just copy it from here? What is it? Some details. To help, yeah, it's the same stuff that we're repeating. The app development, stream and recorded. Actually, the second most important thing to say is that all of, yeah, the entire code of this app is available on GitHub at here. Or not the entire code, just the source code of this app is available on GitHub. The entire development, the app's entire development basically was streamed on Twitch, and it's yeah, and if I say it was streamed on Twitch and uploaded to YouTube, people know what this means. And uploaded to YouTube. And then we can just copy this stuff again. Okay, this will be enough, but maybe we should add some more. Ugh, it's so bright. Okay. I feel like we should add one line in between these two. Yeah, this is a simple quiz game app. Oh yeah, we should totally name where. Oh no, we absolutely need to note all of the open source license stuff. Probably even link to the file with all of the stuff. That's like required in these Creative Commons licenses. Okay. So it should actually be like second to this. Oh, actually third to it. Okay, let's put this over here. Yeah, as such, they have been released under links to can be found in the photo source file in the GitHub project link above. Okay. This is now okay. The people who spent hours, if not days, going into forests, taking these great photos. now have people can find out links to their stuff. Okay. And maybe I should link to Wikimedia Commons here. This would be best practice. Okay. Okay. Oh, and we do want this like open a new tab option. Okay. Oh, okay. If each can just link to stuff, maybe it's better to just, instead of having these, just link them here. There's something nice about just having the full URL for people. Oh, this one we can link. We definitely should link this one. Copy it here. Okay, insert link. Do we need anything else? Okay, what about spelling errors? Did we do anything silly? No, that kind of looks... Oh, we did multiple choice. Oops. Oh no, we're now going... Okay, we don't need to read all the links again. We can just... where was it? Short description. Oh. Let's replace that. Let's replace this. Yeah, a bit embarrassing if the short description has typo in it. Okay. Yeah. Let's just check again. So yeah, done. Gameplay video or trailer. Provide a link. No, that's too sophisticated for us. Oh, screenshots. Upload 3 to 5 for best results. Do it. But this kind of is a screenshot, so it's fine, isn't it? I don't think we need to add more. Instead of learn's really vague. We should really say learn the names of. Learn the common names of common butterflies native to North America. Okay. Um, mm, it does not launch. Well, okay, it kind of does require open dependencies because it does require OpenGL. Outside of OpenGL, which for which drivers exist on most builds of Windows. Okay. And can be built from scratch. It's created from scratch and from the GitHub repo linked above. So only the Z compiler I needed to build the exe. Let's put this on here. Okay, I think that's ready to go then. Okay. Yeah, why don't we change like the theme? Why don't we could change the background of it so it's not just massively like this. Edit theme. Oh, yeah, okay, this some are good. Some good programmers, some people who know design made this site. Okay, this is good. Why don't we just make this page have similar color scheme to the app itself? Okay, we can clear the windows. Way too many are open. Oh, maybe we don't want to. Move this over here. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Okay, more manageable. So now, let's check out these colors. Oh. Pardon me. It should be possible to convert the color schemes over, right? I think there's an easier way to get the color schemes. Zig out, which is just to use the app itself. Okay, so sort of got background 2, so light gray and white, and text and link color. Okay, so was it Apple Shift C? Oh, we need to enable it. We turned off most things, but let's turn them on again. If it's going to launch. Oh, okay, this is actually the toggle. Good to see that they added this in after my complaints. So we want to do this color picker. Okay. Okay, so back to this. Copy. We'll see what it's like. Did we get to preview it? Oh, that's the one we want. Okay. Okay, that kind of looks really bad. So, what one should we use? What if we used this as a background? Maybe. And then for these links, okay, let's choose some incorrect options. Maybe we use this as a link. Yeah, that kind of works. Actually, I feel like the contrast isn't amazing. That's all. Okay, if we did find this off black in here, maybe we can try this one instead. Like, I think that's a bit better. Okay. So now we've got that there. Even so, I want the background to be a bit lighter. Or maybe we already are using it. It's hard to tell. Is this what we want? Like, it kind of looks like, I don't know. Why do I bother? Pictures, screenshots. I view like option 1. Oh yeah, this is the one we want to pick from. Okay, so we were actually using the kind of brightest one here. Okay, maybe we can go brighter though. Let's test this one. Maybe that's too bright. No, that looks too dark now. this one, but slightly brighter. I mean, this is better than the darker option. I'm not gonna. I can't argue with that. More options, headers, buttons. Oh, we can change the button color. Yeah, let's do that. Let's make the button color this one. Yeah, okay. And then text. Select Google font, ... Ooh, I wonder if we can actually, we did use a Google font in our project. It was Merriweather, right? Yeah. And it was a serif Merriweather. Okay. But we could also try the sans serif Merriweather. Ooh. I kind of like the sans one here a bit better. No, large please. Very large. Yeah, okay, we'll go sans. And then, now what? Headers, like, oh, yeah, no. Do we want this to be anything other than just a straight black here? I don't think so. Okay, I think this is fine. Okay, let's save this. Okay, so now if we go to, what is my library? Is this included in my library? No. Where's our stuff? It's a dashboard. Where's the link to this? It's this one here. Okay. Dismiss. Okay, and then let's just. Okay, one of the first things we should do is actually check that this. Check that it works, but even so. Let's just check the links we made it onto here. Yeah, all of those survived. Good. And let's check that this actually works. Maybe for this I need no. It was just slow. I'm pretty sure this app is fine. Great. This one, long-tailed skipper. Cool. Okay. we have made an app from scratch, and it is now on the internet. Hoorah! Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I think, yeah, this is kind of it. Let's get rid of this. Do we make any changes? No. Get rid of this as well. So yeah, thanks everyone for watching or coming by. Yeah, this was really fun learning experience. Made something. I've learned a lot so far, and I can continue to use this app that I made from scratch to help me learn everything in this book. I feel like, yeah, by now I've already memorized like 60-75% of them. But yeah, cool times. So yeah, one of my a friend I have from Berlin is visiting New York City in a couple days' time. So I will be away, showing him around, entertaining him. And so unfortunately, not much more game or Z development until I say bye to him. But afterwards, I want to start doing some more game-ish things now that I've got the basics of Zig and Rayloop down. But yeah, thank you for everyone who helped me out across this project, particularly Two-Step. Thanks for your help. And yeah, hopefully I'll see some more people in a week and a half's time. But yeah, I had a lot of fun in making this, and it was often a good relaxation at the end of the day. So yeah, take care.